If you're seeing Epic Games error code 86, the good news is that this is often caused by corrupted local network settings or a broken launcher cache. And in many cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process to get Epic Games working again, including refreshing your network settings, clearing the launcher cache, and restarting everything the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to refresh the network pathways on your PC. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the next commands need administrator access to work properly. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and helps remove any old or corrupted network information that may be causing the launcher to get stuck. Next, type net Winsock reset and press Enter again. This resets the Windows network socket settings, which can fix broken communication between your computer and online services like Epic Games. After that, do not skip this part. Shut down your PC completely, then turn off your home internet router, unplug it from power, and leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds. This gives your network equipment a clean reset. After 30 seconds, plug the router back in, turn it on, wait for it to reconnect fully, and then power your PC back on. Now that your network has been refreshed, we're going to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most common fixes for launcher errors and sign-in issues, because cached files can become corrupted and cause the launcher to loop or fail to load correctly. First, make sure the Epic Games launcher is completely closed. Check the Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, where the small app icons are. If you see the Epic logo there, right-click it and choose Exit. Make sure it's fully closed before continuing. Now press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local app data folder, where Epic stores temporary launcher files. Inside that folder, open Epic Games Launcher. Then open the saved folder. Inside Saved, look for a folder named Webcache. You may also see similar folders with numbers attached, like Webcache_4147. If you find those, that's normal. Right-click the Webcache folder, and any Webcache variants you see, then select Delete. This removes the old launcher cache and forces Epic Games to rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. That often clears up the error immediately. Once the cache is deleted, restart your PC one more time. This helps make sure all the network resets and file changes are fully applied. After the restart, open Epic Games Launcher again and try launching your game. If everything went correctly, the launcher should now connect properly without getting stuck on error code 86. In many cases, this combination of flushing DNS, resetting Winsock, power cycling the router, and deleting the Epic cache is enough to fully fix the problem. If the error is gone, that's fantastic. And if this video helped, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick gaming fixes and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.